I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You'll start by confirming permissions because most blocks come from the browser or OS. Open your browser's site settings, find camera and microphone, and make sure Meet. Google. Com is set to allow. Once done, check the Meet toolbar's camera and mic icons to toggle them on. If the device still appears disabled, make sure no other app is actively using the camera or mic, because the system locks hardware for privacy. This prevents Meet from accessing the device until you free it. Next, address system-level blocks and driver issues which often cause intermittent failures. In Windows or Mac OS privacy settings, verify the browser has permission to use camera and microphone. If not, grant access and restart the browser. Then update webcam and audio drivers because out-of-date drivers can prevent detection. Also, clear the browser cache or open an incognito window to rule out extensions interfering. Once you do that, rejoin the Meet and check device list. Finally, reconnect and run a focus test so you leave with working audio and video. Reload the Meet page, open Meet settings, and explicitly select the intended camera and microphone. Then use the built-in preview to confirm input. If problems persist, restart the browser and, if needed, reboot the computer to reset device locks. As a last troubleshooting tip, plug in a USB headset or try a different browser or guest profile to isolate whether the issue is hardware, driver, or browser-specific. This quickly narrows the root cause.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.